Alright, slowly watching all my money go away. Good morning. We made it just into Missouri last night. Stopped at the rest area here on 35. And it is almost 5:30 in the morning. We are taking off. Cross the scale here real quick and hopefully bypass it. We're going by it one way or another. We got about just over 100 miles to Kansas City and about 360 miles total this morning to get to our receiver. All in all, 360 plus our deadhead back home. Just under 400 miles to drive today. Yeah. Got the green bypass light. Looks like the scale's closed anyway, so we are good to go there. I was thinking we was going to get past Kansas City yesterday, but just one of those days where you wasn't making no ground. Didn't seem to be accomplishing anything, stopping too much. Just all in all, I'm not getting a lot done. And we made it in far enough that we don't have to take a 30-minute break or anything this morning. We can just drive straight in. Probably going to stop, top off the fuel somewhere before we get there. If not, we can fill up in the Loves after we unload the Silent Springs. All right, we are unloaded. Got to Silent Springs, and they were just about to start on a truck. And another truck was going to be in line in front of me, and then me. They were just using one dock. So how do you think that went? From the time I checked in with their phone till the time I left, I was there 32 minutes. One guy unloading trucks, waiting in line behind two other trucks, and still out of there in just over 30 minutes. But you can go into a grocery warehouse with 100 people working inside, 75 forklifts running around, and be there 10, 12 hours. That's all about work ethic and organization. There's places that care and there's places that don't care. I try to stay at the places that care. But we are on our way home right now via a quick stop at the truck stop. We're going to top off the tanks. That way we are full of fuel, full of DEF, and ready to work come Tuesday-ish, something like that. Probably Tuesday. No load yet. Haven't looked for a load yet. We are running through Springdale right now, about to get on the interstate, and about 6 miles up the interstate to the truck stop in Lowell, Workman's Travel Center. It's like fuel in the area is around $5.35 a gallon. The Workman's Travel Center, they have they're on the NASTIC network. They're in Ambest, and they're on Mudflap. Mudflap price is $4.86, which is a big savings off of probably $5.35 a gallon. They're probably about the same as Pilot. But NASTIC is $4.74, so another 12 cents cheaper than Mudflap. So guess who I'm using? Slowly watching all my money go away. The United States is down to 25 days of diesel fuel reserves. I hope my 100 gallons didn't take it down any further. Anyway, that's the cash price. And that's what I'm fixing to pay per gallon for DEF. This I only paid $4.74. That I paid $474. And here we go with the overpriced urine. And there's my total for the DEF. Luckily, I get about 300 miles per gallon on that. No job is complete till the additive is in. 2 ounces per 25 gallons. Going to be switching to a new additive here soon. Alright, fueling is complete, and I'm broke. Just kidding. That was actually right about the actual cost for my fuel. for this trip. I filled up right after I got loaded, so would I say $474 on fuel? The cost until I got to the fuel stop to fill up, add $25, that's $500, and a little bit of DEF I used. So after fuel, still had $2,000 on that 820 mile trip. Not going to complain about that. Oh, this guy's going to come super slow. Thanks for going super slow and opening up the floodgates everywhere else now. You can only be nice and wait for so long out here, because when you wait, they start slowing down. You try to go, they speed up. Stay back away from this line a little bit, although there is room to turn without coming into this lane from that right lane. I do it with a 53-foot trailer. Every time I come here, they widen that out just enough where you can do it, but there's still those that can't seem to do it. And half the time it's somebody in a day cab. If I can do it with a 53-foot trailer and a sleeper, surely they can do it. And my final public service address here for my fuel stop is try to buy local. Try to support your local communities. Yeah, I can fuel at Pilot, Love's, TA Petro, give the money to some big corporate place, or I can give them money to Workman's Travel Center here. They got 2 or 3 travel centers here in the area, right here, down in Alma by Fort Smith, and then another one in Ozark, Arkansas. I try to get as much fuel as I can from them people. If I'm gonna go broke buying fuel, I might as well give it to somebody local. But that's it with the fuel stop. We're gonna head on to the parking spot. And hey, we might as well close this out. Nothing special about seeing me park, so I do that all the time. So we're going to end the video here, and we will check back with you sometime next week, unless I end up posting some news videos. Y'all take care. Be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, now we're done. It's time to start my weekend. Y'all take care, guys.